Today, we're going to delve in the nutritional composition of milk. Milk, a widely consumed beverage, known for its essential nutrients. So, let's explore what makes milk such a nutrient-rich choice. The nutritional composition of cow's milk can vary slightly depending on factors such as the breed of the cow, diet, and the processing methods. Here is a general overview of the typical nutritional composition of cow's milk per 100 grams. First up, proteins. Milk packs in about 3.2 to 3.5 grams of proteins, which contains all the essential amino acids required for various bodily functions. Fats. A 100 gram serving of cow's milk contains about 3.6 to 4 grams of fats, consisting of saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats. Carbs. Milk contains carbohydrates primarily in the form of lactose, providing energy to your body. A 100 gram serving of cow's milk contains about 4.7 grams of carbs. Calories. In a typical 100 gram serving of cow's milk, you'll find about 60 to 70 calories. Vitamins. Milk is an excellent source of following vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, vitamin B3. Minerals. A typical 100 gram serving of cow's milk will contain the following minerals: calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and zinc. It is important to note that these values are approximate and can vary slightly based on the specific type of milk, such as whole milk, low-fat milk, or skim milk. Additionally, some milk products, such as flavored or fortified milk, may have different nutritional profiles due to the added ingredients of fortification process. Remember to choose the type of milk that best suits your dietary requirements and preferences. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.